Hey guys, and welcome to DDR Performance. Today we've got the BMW M3 M4 2014 and up kit to show you. Now this kit is very easy and simple to install. It's made of 3 intake pipes with CNC pipe ends and MAF housings, as well as an engine breather for you to put in your stock engine hoses. This kit also comes with silicone hoses and clamps and 2 filter adapters that hook onto these 2 filters. We place these filters behind the grille, and the reason why we put them behind the grille, well, let's just be honest, they look great. And another good reason is that it gives you maximum airflow and you get cooler air going into your engine. Now, combined, this system gives you up to 18 wheel horsepower, and if you want to purchase this system, just click the link below.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more information, visit our website, ddrperformance.com.